Vertusio, the shout-out app for industries, businesses, and services.
Trends in mining for 2021. In the post-pandemic economy of 2021, the mining industry has emerged as a rather solid performer. The sector's activity was 15.8% greater than at the end of 2019 when the epidemic destroyed global economies. So out of the 18 industries studied, mining ranks 7th in COVID-19 activity recovery. An industry expert weighs in on the top mining trends and breakthroughs for this year and beyond. A BB weighs in on the top mining trends and breakthroughs for this year and beyond. Demand-driven ventilation and electrification are on the industry's agenda, while innovative technologies like augmented reality for remote management are increasingly applied globally. Sustainability plus digital. Australia is leading the way in mining sustainability, which is extremely exciting, Cowie adds. We are seeing miners pledge to achieving net zero emissions by 2030, including FMG. This strongly influences technology investment and modernization decisions. Cowie underlines the relevance of digitization in supporting environmental measures. Of course, digitization goes hand in hand with sustainability, adds Cowie. Smart mines have grown in popularity in recent years. This increase is also due to the worldwide epidemic. People are more focused on what matters. Leaders in the sector are increasingly focusing on data-driven safety and efficiency decisions, as well as carbon-efficient methods. The Boliden mine was the world's first to use 100% wireless network technology in 2012, covering over 35 km of the mineral-rich location. Boliden's communication network still exists today, using Industry 4.0 technology too. To summarize, Cowie urges enterprises to match their digital and net zero goals in 2021 to maximize the benefits of smart mine technology. More automated machinery means greater production control and productivity, he explains. Remote access. Cowie then moves on to the next major mining trend, remote connection. ABB has just begun implementing remote connection for its mining customers across Australia. Cowie says the process has been streamlined while prioritizing safety and developing long-term solutions. Our gearless mill drives, GMDs, are used at Newcrest Telfer and Goldfields St Ives in Western Australia. Because a GMD failure affects downstream processes and eventually production, we adopted ABB Ability TM predictive maintenance for grinding. This implies we can continually retrieve data from GMDs. Cowie also emphasizes the value of data and analytics that this technology may provide to the end user. The data generated by these machines may be analyzed and compared to global GMD statistics. If specific characteristics are documented before a breakdown or occurrence, clients can be warned, Cowie explains. It also allows the client to do predictive maintenance. This helps you anticipate when to repair things like motors, bearings, filters, or electrical components. Analyses predictives. Cowie then highlights predictive analytics as an industry trend. An all-in-one predictive analytics software system with modules for augmented reality, remote maintenance, and repair support is provided by ABB Ability TM Operations Management System, OMS. OMS is a collection of 5 digital applications that focus on scheduling and tracking. When an event occurs, it knows where individuals are in the mine at any given time, adds Cowie. It employs AI to model scenarios. It may, for example, forecast a yield if an alternative procedure is used. OMS may also issue task orders and track mining activity in real time, allowing managers to make educated decisions. It changes the mining game. Importantly, Cowie claims predictive analytics would allow operators to manage resources smartly. In other words, OMS guarantees operators can allocate the correct person at the right moment. The consequence is strategic innovation and a 5-10% boost in productivity, he adds. Demand ventilation. Ventilation on demand is another topic Cowie mentions that ABB has been working on with mining customers. It also relates to sustainability since it may drastically lower a mine's energy use. My air is continually pumped into the mine. This requires a lot of energy. With ABB Ability TM Ventilation Optimizer, we can only turn on air when and where needed. When someone mistakenly walks in that way, proximity sensors activate the system. According to Research 3, up to 50% of the power utilized in an underground mine is used for ventilation. He cited a BB's on-demand ventilation system in Boliden's Kankberg mine. The system has 3 settings to ensure various ventilation options for each area of operation. At Kankberg, a level 2 system distributes fresh air 500 meters below. In the first year at Boliden, ventilation on-demand technology helped supply fresh air for workers while saving 54% on cooling and 21% on heating. This method is great. According to Cowie, the economic benefit outweighs any concern for worker safety. Mines all electric. According to Cowie, all-electric mines are one of the most interesting areas of innovation. This is a major step towards net zero emissions. ABB has been adopting electrification, automation, and digital technologies to help the mining industry reach its sustainability goals and become carbon neutral, Cowie adds. Electric vehicles, EV, on mining sites are one way this occurs. Diesel-electric vehicles can be connected to a trolley line, increasing speed and lowering diesel consumption and pollutants by up to 90%. EV emit no emissions and produce less heat, lowering cooling costs in deep mines. Cowie uses the Boliden mines again. Boliden has confirmed it will build 3 km of extra trolley line at the mine, plus 1.8 km at Kevitsa, following its 700-meter experiment at Adik. Boliden claims that after the investment is complete, it will save 5,500 km of diesel. All electric mines are being developed to decarbonize the whole mining process. BHP, Rio Tinto, FMG, and others are already investing in an electric future by electrifying their lighter cars. We're interested to see how these initiatives grow over the year.
If you've enjoyed watching this video, then give this video a like and share with a friend. Also click on the subscribe button below to be notified as new videos are released.